topic is role of solenoidal in vector calculus. In vector calculus, a solenoidal vector field, also known as an incompressible vector field, a divergence-free vector field, or a transverse vector field, is a vector field V with divergence 0 at all points in the field, known as solenoidal vector field. We can see in the diagram represented here in x and y axis an example of solenoidal vector field V of xy equal to y minus x, v bar dot v equal to 0. Its meaning of this is divergence is 0 at all the points. A common way of expressing this property is to say that the field has no source or sink. Important point, no, field has no source. Solenoidal vector field has no source. Properties of solenoidal vector field is divergence theorem. Given an equivalent integral definition of a solenoidal field, namely that for a closed surface the net total flux through the surface must be 0. Integral of v ds equal to 0, where ds is the outward normal to each surface element. The fundamental theorem of a vector calculus states that any vector field can be expressed as the sum of an irrational and solenoidal field. The fundamental theorem of vector calculus states that any vector field can be expressed as the sum of irrational and a solenoidal field. The condition is zero divergence is satisfied whenever a field V has only a vector potential component, because the definition of the vector potential A is V equal to V bar means vector into A of potential A. Automatically result in the identity as can be shown, for example, using Cartesian coordinates. V vector dot V equal to V into V bar into A equal to 0. The converse also holds for any solenoidal V. There exists a vector potential A such that V equal to V bar cross A. Strictly speaking, this holds subject to a certain technical condition on V, sees Helmholtz's decomposition. Examples of solenoidal vectors are the magnetic field of Maxwell equation. We can find in Maxwell equation the velocity field of an incompressible fluid flow, the vorticity field, the electric field E in neutral region, the current density J where the charge density is unvarying, derivative of with respect to time equal to 0, the magnetic vector potential A in Coulomb gauge. Main thing in this solenoidal vector is divergence in field at any point is 0. If to be a solenoidal vector, it should be follow this condition, divergence is 0. We can apply in different situation of use different situations. We can use solenoidal in vector calculus in different places, also in real life. We can see examples of solenoidal vectors are magnetic field in Maxwell equation, velocity of a field in compressible fluid, vorticity field, electric field, current density, magnetic vector potential. These are all used in real life. In Thank you.